wanted to ask you a little bit about what you're doing. I've been wanting to get you on my channel. I really want to go Facebook Live with you on my Facebook and my Instagram and my YouTube. But I wanted to just share a little bit of what you do with my people. I always have talked you up, and Earl
Oh,
reached
no,
out
that's
to me.
dope.
Yeah, Earl reached out to me early on in my journey when I first started creating videos, and really just inspired me that I could do this thing. So he's very motivational, always on the grind, always putting in the work no matter what. So do
Yeah,
you do what you do?
I'll be trying. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm one of them people. I have that entrepreneurial spirit. Like I just believe, like I can do whatever I want. I believe that the money that so many people talk about making, right? Everybody wants to make $10,000 a month, right? Everybody wants to make 20,000. The difference is some people take action and some people don't. The people that take action are the people that's going to get the results. It's just a fact, right? Even if it take you some time to struggle, long as you keep on going forward, you keep on trying things and you don't quit, you're going to get results. Period, right? But that's why I tell people, like, so many people are negative, or don't have the mindset to be successful, but yet they have these big ass goals, right? And that money, people really are making that kind of money online. At least you know what I'm saying? I know people really are. So that's why I just keep going, and I'm not afraid to try different things. A lot of things I failed at, a lot of things suck, and a lot of things are really, really cool, and I'm happy. You know what I mean? So even right now, I have my YouTube channel, Team Go Mode. I post content on there at least 3 to 4 times a week. I've been in affiliate marketing for probably 15, 16 years now. Some of the programs like I'm involved with, probably like my number one network marketing opportunity right now is Nexus Snap. A lot of people talking about it. It's very, very easy to get started. It's an app basically where people can actually save money every time they shop, either get a discount or get cash back. And it has a cool little affiliate program to it where you get $25 fast start commissions, and you got your own matrix and all that network marketing stuff. But the bottom line with Nexus Snap is, if you join Nexus Snap and you actually use the apps that's involved with it, once you become a premium member, which is basically an affiliate, once you do that, bottom line is, promote it. People get caught up in like, okay, well, if I get on 12th level and damn all that, just promote it, because the money will come. Straight up. Like, focus on the fact that with Nexus Snap, just focus on hey, I get $25 commissions. Focus on that. And if you just look at it like that, I just want to get $25 commissions, the rest of the money is going to start coming in. Trust me. You get all these little weird bonuses. I see when I log into my account, I see weird stuff like, oh, $5 recurring, $2, $25, this and that, $2 refer, like all of this numbers. And I'm like, I just focus on putting it in front of people. That's it. Honestly, I think a lot of time people overcomplicate making money online. They overcomplicate affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing and network marketing is basically just finding something that you're interested in, you believe in, and sharing it with as many people as you can. Period. And I
Yeah.
stress to people, find your method. Find the method that you rock with. Just because I do YouTube don't mean you have to do YouTube to be successful. You can be, matter of fact, I know a lot of people who just do Facebook and they make way more money than I have, right? There's some people who just like, yo, I just rock with TikTok, which I can't stand TikTok.
I
But
hate
there's
TikTok.
people doing it, right? Yeah, you know what I mean? So
But there's people making money on TikTok.
they are, because it's their thing, right? So I encourage people, it's not the opportunity. Do not stop questioning whether or not you can make money with the opportunity, or is the opportunity legit or not. Like I said, 9 times out of 10, these opportunities will pay you. 9 times out of 10, your affiliate link actually does work. 9 times out of 10, right? So you just have to quit questioning the actual program and the system and start figuring out what's your method of promotion, period. How can you get as many people to your affiliate link as possible? That's need to be your number one focus, really, with anything. If it's YouTube, if you're doing drop shipping, you got to get people to your store. If you're doing YouTube, you got to get people to your videos. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you got to get people to your link. Same thing. So focus on how you want to market, period. And once you find it and you feel comfortable with it, be consistent. Like being consistent ain't like once every 3 weeks. Being consistent is like, yo, every day. If you can put in just 20 minutes, Monday through Friday, with whatever your marketing style is, you're going to get results. You're going to get results.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So I mean, yeah, but that's what I'm doing. But like I said, I stay busy. I still work with local businesses in my area. I'm in Ohio. I still do work with local businesses. I'm building my YouTube channel. I still, my music is my heart. That's why I love producing music. And that's why I don't know if you can see my baby right here. Hold on. Yeah, that's my baby right there. Yeah. You see the mic? I got it. Hey, that's my real passion. But I find time to do it all. I find time. You just got to find time for the things you want to do. And yes, if I could, certain things I wish I had more time to do, but I still find time to get everything in, just like we'll be doing right now. You know what I mean? Finding time. And I talked about on my channel, with all the other stuff I'm doing, I work from home. I do appointment setting. I do that. I was doing that this morning. I don't stop. I shot 3 YouTube videos before me and you did this video. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know how you do it. You should shoot some content on productivity and hacks and stuff like that, because you do a lot.
And it's just like, and I'm gonna say this before we wrap it up, whatever. But I'll say this: what keeps me going is my goal. And I know that sounds cheesy and corny, but like whenever I do kind of feel like, yo, this ain't working, or I'm tired or whatever, like I just think about like, ooh, when I'm making $20,000 a month consistently, like consistently, how am I gonna feel? That's what makes it possible for me to get up and do this and still shoot videos and still, network with other people, still contact local businesses, still work out every damn day, still get it in. You know what I mean? Like, and listen, it's not because I'm special. Everybody, if you really got a goal, now if you don't got no big goals, who cares? Like, be happy, do your thing. If you don't, you know what I mean? But if you're one of them people that's like, I want to make 10, 20,000 and I want to make that money on my terms, then you have to be on the grind and not kill yourself. No, don't run yourself into the ground, but you can make time. Like, and what can motivate you is whatever your goal is. Whenever you feel like you slipping, think about where you're going to be when you hit your goal. Think about that feeling you're going to have when you look into your bank account and see that $24,300 sitting in there. Think how you're going to feel. Just imagine. And that's what I do. That's what I do. Because I seem energetic, but believe me, Alicia, at some point in the day, I'm going to be like,
man, let me tell you. I started doing, I do wholesaling real estate, and that's a lot of, it's a contact sport. That's a lot of networking and talking to people all day long. And then I've been pushing these links like crazy. And then I do DoorDash, and then I homeschool. There's days when I'm like, this is a lot, but I got to keep going. And there's days when I'm like, my content's not getting any interaction. I feel stupid. Like, what am I really doing? But I have to remind myself, and I've been telling people this, we live in a digital world. There are really people making millions of dollars online. Like, I got to keep going. I have to. So.
Got to.
Yeah.
And that's what it's about.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm excited. 100%. So no, I was just gonna say that we got, like I said, more videos coming, and like I said, and that's what it's about. And we talked a long time ago, because I think we know each other like 2 years now. I don't know.
Yeah,
it's been a minute, but the thing is about one thing. We need to do a separate video on this, like maybe in a week or so, for real. But like the
Yeah.
power of networking, and I think why so many people are missing out. You know what I mean? I think a lot of people are missing out on network marketing because my wife say I ain't, but I say I am. But I am an introvert. I love being alone. I love being by myself. I'm not, as much as I seem like I'm not really like a people person, even though like I'm weird, but I feel like I'm an introvert, right? And but with that being said, like I still like have to be around people and still, have to do what I got to do to get to where I want to be. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? It's like it's just part of it.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is a lot of people are afraid, or maybe I don't know if they're afraid or just don't want to, but like networking with people can be so powerful because if you
Yeah.
really think about it, a lot of these big, the big gurus, they work together. We all seen
They
them. They promote each other on different things, right? They
Yep.
so people on a just getting started out for whatever reason, they have this thing like I can't grow with somebody. I can't build with somebody. I need to go after somebody who's already established and hoping that they'll work with me. Well, guess what? If somebody really big, they're not going to work with somebody who just getting started. You will be better off working with people that's maybe a little ahead of you or,
Mhm.
on the same level and come up with them in regards of
Yeah.
networking, right? Because I know a lot of people will say, well, you want to surround yourself with people, where you want to be. That's true too. But what I'm saying is, from a network perspective, it's easy for you to reach out to people and connect with people that's just getting started, and you guys can grow together and motivate each other. And then either guess what's going to happen? Either both of you guys are going to raise up, or
Yeah.
one person will raise up, and then they can bring up the other person, right?
100%.
That's how it
Hmm.
works. But a lot of people ain't on that for whatever reason. You know,
Yeah.
like a lot of people don't think like that, but it is what it is. You know what I mean?
It's true. Your net worth is in your network, and what you can learn and gain from having a network and being able to motivate each other, and that's priceless. It really is. The
It is.
relationships that you build that you carry with you for your whole life. We were created to do life together in business, in family, and faith, and everything. We need each other. So iron sharpens iron. I'm grateful for connections like what you and others that I work with. I'm super super
Yeah,
grateful.
without a doubt, without a doubt. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, and Alicia, send me them links for those apps, and I'll get that video up probably Friday. If not Friday, it'll be out Sunday for sure, 100%. And
Cool.
you know what I'm saying? We'll connect like that.